Sports has always been more than just a leisure activity. It keeps your body fit and mind sharp. A huge part of the youth aspires to make a career in sports and be successful athletes. Along with all the major sectors, sports is one of the most severely affected ones due to COVID 19. The lockdown restricted the athletes from going out and playing for an entire year. This has negatively affected the physical and mental conditions of these athletes. Sports require constant training and nourishment, but the lockdown pinned these athletes in their homes. With no access to fields or gyms, these athletes claim that they lost a significant amount of fitness and also chances to represent their state or nation at different levels.
Totally devastating. We had no practices, our training was stopped. My aim was to play for Delhi, under 19 Delhi in 2020, but just couldn't because of the lockdown. It's been, after the second wave, it was on September first week last month that the lockdown was eased a little bit, and this year again, May was the time when the lockdown was eased. So it's been just a month of 3 months that I've tried to gain back my fitness, but it's totally been difficult because after a pause of 1 year, it's totally difficult because sports is all about continuity. It's about training.
It was especially challenging for high school and college seniors who wanted to make an impact for themselves and kickstart their careers, but rather they were left in a turmoil as they were in their last year of eligibility of their respective sport.
One of the major factors for people in sport is that there has been no regularity at all. First, it was like you had a complete break from sports. You didn't know when you can go back to it, when you can't go back to it. That way you can only do certain kinds of fitness. But the sport-related चीज़ अगर आपने टेनिस खेलना है, तो अगर आप टेनिस कोर्ट में आगे नहीं खेलोगे तो then how will the game progress? Then it opens up, then it gets closed again. So that irregularity really sort of hampers people. People who play for hobbies, it's all right, but for people who are aspiring to be professionals in the sport, it hampers in a bigger way.
Many coaches felt that the lockdown had severely affected sports from the extreme grassroots, and it would take time to come back into proper fitness.
आप सभी जानते हैं कि कोरोना काल के अंदर मोस्टली बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स नहीं कर पा रहे, और लॉकडाउन लास्ट ईयर भी लॉकडाउन लगा था, उसमें बच्चों ने सफ़र किया था, स्पोर्ट्स नहीं कर पा रहे थे। और इस साल भी 2021 23 मार्च 2021 से लॉकडाउन लागू हो गया, जिसके कारण एक्टिविटी नहीं कर पाए, और एक्टिविटी ना करने की वजह से जो बच्चे अनफिट हो गए। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितना ज़्यादा बच्चे अब रेगुलर एक्टिविटी करें और स्पोर्ट्स करें, जैसे टाइकोंडो हो गया, स्केटिंग हो गया या स्विमिंग हो गया, कोई भी एक्टिविटी करेंगे तो बच्चे फिट रहेंगे।
The devastating pandemic took lives, shattered dreams, and brought humanity to a standstill. These athletes too had to face their share of hardships. But like it said, the dawn of a new day awaits them, and these resilient athletes will fight back to achieve their ultimate goals.